the cumulative frequency curve and OZ. In class 9, you have learned to represent the distribution data through the bar graph, histogram, frequency polygon. In this class, you will represent a cumulative frequency distribution of a data graphically, and the graph is obtained is called cumulative frequency curve or an OZ. The cumulative frequency are of two types, and corresponding to these OZs are also of two types. There are two types of OZs, less than type and more than type. In this type of OZIP, the cumulative frequency are written corresponding to the upper limits. Less than type, upper limits of the classes given data. We draw upper limits on the x-axis and cumulative frequency on y-axis. Then plot the points corresponding to the ordered pair, in which x coordinate is taken as the upper limit and y coordinate is taken as cumulative frequency. By joining these points with the free hand, we get a less than type OZ. Let us see the example of this type of graph, less than type OZ of finding median. This graph is used for finding the median. Here is an example. This is a data. The daily income, class interval 100 to 120, 120 to 140, like this. And the number of workers, 100 to 120 rupees getting 12 workers, 120 to 140 rupees getting 14, 140 to 168 and 6 and 10. First we make the table of less than type frequency distribution table. Less than type frequency, so I have taught you the upper limit. The less than type 120, less than type 140, less than type 160, less than 180 and less than 200. See here, less than 120, how many workers getting rupees? Only 12. 120, less than 120, 12. And less than 140. Less than 140 means 12 plus 14, 26. And less than 160, how many getting? 12 plus 14 plus 8, 34. And less than 180, adding 6, 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6, 40. And less than 200. All workers getting less than 200, it means total frequency is 50. So here is the coordinates points: 120, 12, 140, 26, 160, 34, 180, 14, 200 to 50. Okay, let us plot these points on the graph. 120, 12. Here I made a graph taking the upper limits on the x-axis and cumulative frequency on the y-axis. The first point is 120, 12. 120, 12. Here, suppose here is a point 120, 12. 140, 26. More than this. 160, 34. 160, 34. And 180, 40. 180, 40. And 200, 50. And joining these points by free hand, we get a less than type OZ. This is a less than type OZ. If we find the median of this group, see, on the OZ, both less than and more than type, the point P, where y coordinates is n by 2 and its x coordinate is equal to the median of the data, where n is the total number of frequencies. Here n equal to 50 and n by 2 equal to 25. So we have to take in the 25 on the y-axis. Here is a 25 and perpendicular draw a point line and meet this on x-axis. This point is called the median. Median equal to 140. In the rough graph, I got median as 140. You will plot in the graph paper, you will get, I think so, 138. It will be approx 138. This is a less than type of OSIP. Next, more than type. More than type is just opposite to the less than type. In this type of OSIP, the cumulative frequencies are written corresponding to the lower limits. More than types, lower limits of the classes given data. We draw lower limits on the x-axis and the cumulative frequency on the y-axis. Then plot the points corresponding to the ordered pair in which x coordinate as a lower limit and y coordinate as a cumulative frequency. By joining these points on the graph by freehand, we get an OSIP of more than type. And next, n by 2 we plot on the y-axis, point n by 2 on y-axis, and meet that point on x-axis, that is the median. See the example. The same question is here. Made a table of more than type. The more than type table plot on the lower limit. More than 100, more than 120, more than 140, more than 160, more than 180, and more than 200. The more than 100. More than 100. More than 100 means all these. Each worker getting more than 100 rupees. It means total 50. More than 100 is 50. And more than 120 rupees getting 150 minus only 50 minus 12. We getting only 38. And more than 140. More than 140, these three. We are getting 24 workers. And more than 160, only 16. And more than 180, getting 10. More than 200, 0. Nobody is getting then more than 200 rupees, 0. The points becomes 100, 50, 120, 38, 140, 24, 160, 16, 180, 10. These are the points. Now plot these points on the graph. 100, 50. This is the 100, 50. More than type, this is the upper limit. More than 120, 38. And more than 140, 24. 24. Approx 16 and 10. This is a more than type of graph. By joining these freehand, you can join. And getting a median n 50 and n by 2 equal to 25. So here 25 taken as 25 here and plot the graph. We are getting the median here 140. This is in rough. You will plot on graph paper, you will get the right answer. This will be 140. If both the graph we have to draw more than and less than type, so where is the median? The less than type and more than type OSIPs of a data intersect each other at that point. X coordinate equal to median and the data and y coordinate equal to n by 2. Less than type, less than graph type like this, more than this, where this will be intersect. This will the coordinate on x-axis, this point known as median of the data. Less than type and more than type, both the graphs intersect that points. This point, the coordinates of this point of x coordinate is known as the median and y coordinate is n by 2. You can draw the OSIP by seeing this video. Thank you.